Yo, what is going on, viewers of the tube? Tyler here, Chico Crypto, coming to you guys live. How's everybody doing? Got my glasses on today so I could see better. See the price getting slashed down to brewski nothing, you guys. Ugh. Yeah, ruined my video for today, I'll tell you that. That's why I'm live streaming. Not really differing thoughts, not like I was doing TA or anything, but kind of basically how millennials are betting big on Bitcoin and traditional finance is collapsing. Well, not a good time to post that video when Bitcoin's collapsing. So yeah, I'm live streaming today. But yeah, I mean, I talked about this in the video I shot today, actually, regarding what's going on. It's kind of freaking obvious. So just pulling out the one-day chart, we see the candle. Got down to 9,300 on some exchanges. On CoinMarketCap, it's saying 9,600. But yeah, we're hitting the resistance right there. Well, what's going on too, right here with the resistance, you guys? So there's a lot of algorithmic bots that are built to trade on certain resistance levels, and that's what's being hit right now. So they're programmed to buy at this 9.6 level. And right now, all the traders are freaking out, especially the big whales. They're like, oh shit, so now they're all re-evaluating their positions and retuning their bots. Which, I mean, is it going to be up? Is it going to be down? That's going to play out in the next, probably, I'd say 6 hours. So, we're going to have a little bit of stability for some time, but we should see another violent move here soon. Up or down? I don't freaking know. What's up, everybody? How you doing? Good to see everyone in the stream. What's up, Joshua Keith? Where is my parcel into Decentraland? So I actually haven't chosen a parcel yet. I'm deciding on where I'm going to put it. Talking to a few... Oh, shit. Someone's calling me. Get off. I'm kind of deciding on a few different parcels right now. It's going to depend upon, you know, what I see in Decentraland being one of the most used districts. And I do see gaming being one of those, especially gambling. Some people are going to be like, oh, shut up about gambling. Gambling responsible is fine, you guys. I mean, leveraged centralized trading is not responsible. So, yeah. I'll tell you that. Because none of us are leveraged traders. And that just brings me to my next point regarding that. It's obvious what's going on, you guys. So Bitcoin has been under 10K 4 times in the past 2 weeks. And has been above 10K 3 times in the past couple weeks. Oh, whoa. Thanks for the tip, man. Yes, we will be talking about that in my video tomorrow. So I'm not going to ruin content for tomorrow with my live stream. So I appreciate the tip. We're going to touch on it, but I'll get into it tomorrow. A lot of questions to be answered regarding that too. No, Enigma's not necessarily broke. So I actually... you know, had some discussions with some people regarding what was going on. And I asked them, you know, 2 years of development, you know, how much money has been spent. And they said all this will be coming out here soon. So, gonna have to wait for the team. But back to this. So, regarding this number, 10K, you guys, it's such a psychological number. So the whales know this. The whales know this for all of us. I mean, when Bitcoin gets above 10K, bullish sentiment, bullish. When Bitcoin drops below 10K, we all turn bearish very quickly. And this is what they are freaking doing. They're just pushing it up above it and then down below it. Getting suckers to leverage trade, you guys. That is exactly how they're making a shit ton of money right now. Some idiots are blaming this dump on the closed auction of 40 million Bitcoin. I think Sunny Decree was one of them. I mean, no, this isn't it. The guy, it just happened today. Like, he didn't go to an exchange to sell them immediately. There's contracts and things. Things gotta happen. The sale did close, but he doesn't have the Bitcoin yet, guys. So whoever's bringing up this is a complete idiot. Sunny Decree. But it's easy to see. I mean, just within the last hour, on Bitfinex, over 88 Bitcoin was liquidated from 61 positions, and over 84 positions on BitMex, worth over $125 million in 1 freaking hour, you guys. BitMex and Bitfinex and Binance are raping the leverage traders for every dime they have right now. They're liquidating the crap out of them. And it's obvious. They're playing with the psychological 10K number. So I would be staying away from that because you don't know where it's going to go. I mean, well, actually, if they're going to do the same thing, it's going to go back above. But don't listen to me. I don't know what I'm talking about. Yo, Bill, what's going on, man? Thanks for the tip. Sorry I haven't been around. Just busy as can be. Win 30K dump? Oh, no problem. I'm going to call it out. I mean, I'm not going to be stupid and tell you guys to go long or anything like freaking some other guys. But, I mean, yeah, you just know Binance, they have 125x leverage now. BitMex, the old school, and their referral program. And then Bybit. You know, this is the one that's profitable for the YouTubers. This guy is, I hate him. I mean, and this goes for a lot of the crypto YouTubers. They post these videos. Like right here, 550,000, 20,000. He's kind of just, hey, look at this. We're going all-time high. Boom. Then we're going down. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Why is he doing this? The more liquidations he gets from you guys, the more money in his pocket. It's a transfer. I don't want to be mean, but it's a transfer from the dumber to the dumb. Because Sonny McCree's as dumb as it gets. He has no idea about the crypto markets. He's shilled BitConnect, you guys. But people are dumb if they go leverage trade and follow these guys' advice, is all I gotta say. Please don't do it if you watch my channel. Leverage trading, for one, if you're in the US, is illegal for up to 100x. I mean, them shilling it to him, he's out of the US, so he's probably got some leeway, but there's other crypto YouTubers that shill the crap out of it in the US, so... And then, yeah, this was a funny freaking post on our Bitcoin regarding the price. Bought at 9.8K yesterday and thought I'm a pro. Well, now he's down. Oh, 1.1K in the chat. Let's pump those numbers. Whoop, whoop. Oh, yeah, I'm still accumulating DeFi coins as much as Bitcoin. Probably with... I mean, at least 30% more. Leverage trading is a sucker's bet. I mean, leverage trading is a tool. It can be used correctly, but you need years of experience. Even the most advanced traders use it sparingly. Very sparingly. I mean, the way leverage trading is taking the crypto industry, where it's even overtaking spot volume by a ridiculous amount, is ridiculous. It should not be taking over spot volume. Spot volume, you know, the easiest way to trade. It's just, I mean, we can go look at spot volume versus leverage. It's disgusting. I hate it. I mean, and I'm not fully against leverage trading either. I mean, leverage trading, like I said, it does have its use for more advanced traders and people who have been studying it for a while. Where should I go for that? Derivatives, yes. You're going to tell me the whole derivatives volume? Why don't you have it all put together? It's not telling me the derivatives. Let me hold one sec. Let me see if this is it. Thought CoinGecko had something that tells you the exact derivative number. Maybe I'm mistaken. Another website. Shoot, I got people tipping. Hey, Mark, how's it going, brother? Thanks for the tip, man. I appreciate it. EDN. I've never heard of it, man. And I'm going to be honest, I'll take a short look, but if it's just another coin saying they have a smart contract platform that's going to compete with Ethereum, I'm sorry, man. Get out. I would probably get out, but I haven't looked into it. Just from the chart, it looks like it's a coin trying to compete with Ethereum. yeah, I would stay away. I mean, it looks like it's trying to compete with Enterprise Ethereum, which, that's going to be a tough one. UBT, FTW. Yes, I still like UBT. People thought my video yesterday, bring that up real quick. Eric Hayner just tipped me $2? That is my buddy, Eric Hayner. That is one of my best friends. Holy crap, Eric. He was the one who called me on my phone, too. Oh, man. Oh, and thank you, JK NoCal, too. Oh, Eric. Oh, I need to go see Hayner. Yo, what's up, Hayner? Hayner's my homeboy. That's funny. That's my first friend that has joined my live chat. Like, from high school or whatever. That's awesome. I appreciate that, Hayner. I'll give you a call after the stream. Carlos may be my friend, too. I don't know. I do have a couple Carlos friends. But he's my online friend, definitely. But what was I going to get into? Oh, yeah. So, Unibright posted that video yesterday, and a lot of people are being mean, saying, you suck, Tyler. You're just a pumping and then a dumping. No, I actually hold every single one of my Unibright. I announce on my channel when I'm getting out of a coin, if it's one I'm highly involved with. Like Enigma, I'm still holding, even though probably, maybe should have dumped, just being honest. But we'll see. Still waiting for all the news. But Unibright. Just stuff with the advisor I'm not comfortable with. I mean, they did register Reg D. Personally, it says you have to announce your promoters as well as full disclosure, and they didn't do that. And I talked to the team, and they kind of didn't give me the full truth. It sounds like they're just trying to cover tracks for D-Dash. Data trash. And don't like it, so I made a video about it. Sorry. But I still like Unibright Tech, and I think I found some more stuff regarding them. Last video I made on them, not this one, but the one before that. Where is it? Enterprise Altcoins is here. It's, I mean, only a few days after that, 6 days ago. It was regarding the token design. I mean, this is a hint. Ooh, and I'm wearing my wave sweater, too. So this is a big hint. So the token designer from Microsoft, EA, I don't know who else. There's a few. They have a token designer, and it looks very similar to Unibright, some of what Unibright is building. And I think Unibright does, I need to do my research, so don't go buying a bunch of crap based off of what I'm saying right now. This is a live stream, but I mean, don't buy stuff based on my assumptions. Anyways, Jesus, tippers. Holy crappy. Ethan Smith, Chainlink hype, of course. My #1 coin. More than my Bitcoin bags. And it wasn't like that to start off with. It's just Chainlink has been surging. A friend. Showing you love from Brooklyn. I'm on the fence with holding XLM. Think about switching to Chainlink and UBT. What do you think? It depends on how big your position is. I've never put a large amount into Stellar Lumens. It's always been on the bottom. But it has always been a portion of my portfolio. I do like it more than Ripple. I mean, the original idea for XRP's ledger and Ripple came from Jed McCaleb of Stellar. So we'll see with Stellar. I took my ETC profits and put them into Unibright. Nice move, JK NoCal. No BFC bags equal you will be wrecked this year, huh? I'll take my risk. Kyber listing on Coinbase Pro. Yeah, we're going to talk about that, brother. I appreciate the tip, too. On Wall to Wally, my thoughts on Ethereum? Super bullish. Ethereum 2.0 is looking like it's going to launch, and it's going to launch quicker than a lot of people think. Again, I made a video regarding kind of a hedge trade, you could say, with Ethereum Classic. As more deadlines come near, there's a deadline July of this year for Ethereum 2.0. Around that time, I'm thinking of possibly moving like a month and a half, 2 months before, moving some profits into Ethereum Classic because it may get delayed. And if that happens, Ethereum Classic goes up. It's one of my short-term trades. I rarely do it. Jesus. Yeah, I agree, Bill. Enigma's mainnet went live, and the market doesn't seem to like working software. So, yeah, there's some questions still regarding about that. I don't want to get into it too much because it's in my video tomorrow, and I don't want to ruin content. I looked into 21AE.com a while ago. I did a video on it, actually, and it just, the guy seems a little wonkers. Seems like he's just a wonker. Nothing to really show. He just always puts on, all these hints and leads you on with nothing to show once again. Kind of like Craig Wright, That's what I feel about 218e.com. Yeah, the SEC, man. And just regarding that Enigma, I mean, it's not good news for the crypto industry as a whole. Especially if any tokens privacy focus ran a privacy ICO, because it looks like that's what they might be looking after. Ooh, have a partial Corona on me. Shoot, that's €2, I think. Depends on where I go. If I find a good buck night in Chico, I might be able to get a Corona for $1. I think the Crazy Horse might still do it. Used to be in freaking Chico, you could get $1 beer at almost any bar, almost any day of the week. I mean, it was buck night basically year round. Not anymore. Oh, but We Die. So, if you guys don't know who We Die is, he's one of the runners in there for Satoshi Nakamoto. I mean, DAI, I'm pretty sure the stablecoin DAI was named after his last name. He created B-Money, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's B-Money. I know that for sure. Yeah, B-Money. He created B-Money, which is referenced by Satoshi in the white paper a few times, created some of the ground foundation for Bitcoin. And he said this: there has never been a government that didn't sooner or later try to reduce the freedom of its subjects and gain more control over them, and there probably will never be one. Therefore, instead of trying to convince our current government not to try, we'll develop the technology that will make it impossible for the government to succeed. Love that quote. I need to save that. Good quote. Ooh, yeah, tips. Jesus. Can't even see most of them. Make sure I got all of them. Oh, man. Armando Ramos. Thank you very much for the $20 tip, man. I can buy a 6-pack with that. More than a 6-pack. Corona's kind of expensive. I don't know. I'm not a big beer drinker. Might go buy a 20-sack. I do hold Icon, but I think it's fairly valued where it's at. The recent pump was great, but I do think, over, where is it at? ICX. Yeah, about a $200 million market cap is pretty fair for ICX. They are regionally going to be confined to South Korea. What's up, Chico, Northern Cali brother? What are your thoughts on Hedera Hashgraph? High TBS, Google Cloud partnership. I mean, Hedera looks just like, from IOTA. You can see decentralizing a DAG is pretty much impossible. IOTA's been trying out for it for a while. Hashgraph doesn't have a decentralized protocol. It's more like a Libra. And they do have big partners, but I'm not for that because I'm for decentralization. So, it could make you money, but I'm not going that way. So yeah, We Die. If you guys haven't looked at him or B-Money, I would recommend it. He is one of my top picks for Satoshi Nakamoto. Sorry, Greg. But yeah, getting back to leverage trading. So if you want to leverage trade, there's ways to do it. actually legally too. Forex leverage is legal in the United States, and that's what DYDX offers. And so DYDX is a fully decentralized protocol for lending, for leverage trading, borrowing for, or lending for leverage trading, and then borrowing also for leverage trading. And it's been up and running for a while. Haven't used it because I'm not a leverage trader. Oh, 5x leverage actually they're allowing. But on DeFi pools, DYDX is up there. And I only foresee things getting bigger for something like DYDX. Oh, it's number 4 now, dude. Holy schmackerel. DYDX on fire. Yeah, they are. People are starting to leverage trade. They're starting to realize it. That's awesome to see. Because I want to see stuff like this. I don't want to see centralized leverage trading bull crap baloney get so powerful. I mean, soon these exchanges like BitMex and Binance, it's going to be disgusting. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Too many tips. Holy mackerel. Guys. Do I think UBT can hit $1 billion market cap in a long time? No, not anytime close, you guys. Chainlink up at $1 billion is great because Chainlink is solving one of the biggest blockchain problems, the Oracle problem. In my opinion, they're moving very closely to fully solving that. The mainnet's out. They just need to basically implement one of the hardest parts of it, and that's why it's taking so long, is the staking and deposit contract. Deposit and reward contracts. So those are coming. But UBT is not up there in my opinion yet. No problem, Rebel DeBull. Thank you for all your hard work on being so honest. What are your thoughts on STOs? I actually talked with some people about STOs recently, and my personal opinion is I think they're like a year and a half out. Platforms building right now are going to have to just keep their heads down and, build out that STO platform. If they're ready, it's ready to go. It's going to be a slow start for them. And I don't think we're going to see a lot of true interest in STOs until a little bit down the road. Veracity is a scam from Germany to Asia. Yes. I don't know. Actually, I shouldn't say yes. I don't know. I'm sorry. I thank you for the tip, though. Oh, man. Carlos Mason. Jiminy, you guys. I can't handle all the tips. Oh, my God. Thoughts on, the BNX hacks. BZX hacks. So, actually, we're just going to talk about that, Dr. Ed. Getting into that right now. So, yeah. People are taking advantage of DeFi. So these aren't necessarily hacks. These are actually, people using the protocols, how they're built. Is that illegal? I don't think so. Actually, I don't know. I can't say that because the DAO hack was how Ethereum was built. Someone just exploited a smart contract. So was the DAO hack by bad people? Was this one by bad people? How do you put people in those categories? There's really a large gray area. But this is what happened. But this is good. This is good news because we're identifying attack vectors and hopefully they will get solved. Black hat hackers are... it's hard for me to say. They are very financially motivated. And they wait for the right time to pull off their attacks. This guy could have maybe waited a little bit longer, but these guys are some of the best coders in the industry. They find the loopholes that other people are not finding. And it's going to happen again, I'll tell you that right now. That's why I don't advise anyone to put a large portion of their money into any DeFi protocol. And the fact that BZX is able to shut down their protocol at will, a dead man switch, does kind of be like, oh, is it really DeFi? But Ethereum did the same thing, kind of. They rolled back their chain. Oh, wow. Jequis Bulldog. I appreciate it, man. Some of the UVT profit. I'm just DYing my OR. You know, I try to uncover stuff. If it's bad, good, I'm gonna talk about it. And I hope people love me for that. You might hate me. But again, this is, some of this flash loan situation with BZX is exposing some other attack vectors and some bigger protocols, like Maker. So they're talking about some of this flash loan using to basically steal all the ETH collateral in the Maker protocol for a DAI, $660 million worth of Ethereum. Basically, what they're saying is someone could, borrow up to 80,000 Maker. They could implement a protocol change, but people would see this coming. But things like this need to be fixed, because what if they don't? So it's good that it actually happened, because there could have been a lot more damage done to the DeFi space. But it just goes back to, all of this is due to... Oh, why can't I think? My brain isn't working right now. I've done videos on this so many times. Oh, God. Oh, Turing Complete smart contracts. God damn it. So, yeah, Ethereum has Turing Complete smart contracts, especially in the Solidity language, which most developers still use. It's Turing Complete. And that's part of the reason you see a lot of these attack vectors is Turing Complete opens a huge attack surface. Reason Bitcoin still doesn't have Turing Complete is security. Bitcoin is all about security. They do not want anyone's Bitcoin going in the wrong hands for some stupid reason in the protocol. And by having Turing Complete smart contracts on the base layer of the Bitcoin blockchain would mean a wide attack surface. So... that's why oh God, Viper. Viper is a non-Turing complete smart contract language for Ethereum. I hope this kind of pushes developers to start using it. Yeah, it's an alternative to Solidity, and I really hope we start seeing more dApps utilizing Viper, because attack surface, again, we don't want a large attack surface. Oh, so here's another kind of sandbox virtual game coming out. Land. So blockchain-based games like the Sandbox are fulfilling the needs for new generations of users, and Ethereum has quick to capitalize on this success. The first sale of TSB was in December 2019, which sold more than 3,000 pieces of land, virtual spaces in the game for 4 hours. Sandbox announced the second pre-sale on February 16th, sold 6,192, bringing in 800 Ethereum, or approximately $206,000. So interesting to see virtual land being bought, but that leads me into my next one. Decentraland is coming. 13 hours, 3 minutes, and 42 seconds until Decentraland goes live. And I've been actually talking to some of the districts within Decentraland. They're going to have some cool stuff, hopefully. They are going to have some cool stuff. Unless the whole freaking thing crashes, which wouldn't be good. But, there's going to be Vegas City with some gambling. The Flamingo, which is going to have operating blackjack, operating slot machines, and operating dice games, I'm pretty sure. And then you're going to be able to bet real crypto as your virtual self inside that virtual land. And people don't realize, the opportunities this gives to developers to develop things. So a person can develop their own table, they can build their own casino, actually, in Decentraland if they want to, build their own tables. And, they can, rent out those tables to other people, developers, how to build slot machines, and then that developer gets a percentage of the revenue. It opens up a virtual business ecosystem. It's going to be cool to see. And if it works, awesome, because I really want to see something like this work. I'm not in it for the, pumps of money, returns. I just want to see a cool virtual ecosystem be built. I'm a VR gamer. You guys seen me do it a little, so I mean, I really bought my VR headset for stuff like this. What's up, Crypto Don Juan? So, Chico, send my coordinates for the dojo. Well, I'm looking at Vegas City right now to place maybe the dojo across the street from. We're in talks. We'll see. I like Vegas City because the nightlife party, you know, Chico Dojo is going to be really relaxed, where people can come to smoke a bowl, buy some virtual ganja. You know, just do the damn thing. Oh, Sammy the Frog. Appreciate the tip, man. And Nova is creating a staking vacation resort? What does that mean? Like a virtual place you can stake your coins? I don't know why I would want to do that. But sounds kind of cool. I appreciate the tip. Wait and data dash on my live stream? Never. I will never talk with that guy. He's a fart knocker. Definition of a fart knocker. So yeah, Unibright. It has had an outstanding run. Back above the all-time high, 19 cents. We're settling in at 24 cents. Looking at the 7-day chart, it's been... We got some volume increases too, significantly. So some big whale bought in right here. Definitely. But I mean, the reason I like Unibright, and I'm trying to look for, you know, projects that are involved with this, is the EA. Enterprise Ethereum Alliance, I've talked about it many times on the channel. I hope you're familiar with it. The EA just, you know, one of their biggest members, pretty much their side partner, Consensus, just picked up JP Morgan's Quorum, which includes the Interbank, why can't I think of it? Interbank Communication Network. It's huge. I mean, it's one of the largest live banking applications in the industry. It spanks Ripple up and down the court because it is live and people are using it, while no one's using XRP's ledger at all. Yeah, so that's purchased, and now the EA has it. And then this just goes back to tokenization. You know, Unibright is creating a model for easy tokenization, an STO platform it goes back to, and a custodian model too, which is awesome, decentralized custodian model. So, I mean, there are big things with that. But their EA is made up of so many members. Accenture, Aon Foundation. I mean, there's blockchain, two large conglomerate. British Petroleum, BlockBuy, Banco Santander is a big member of it. Chainlink, of course, Consensus. The list goes on and on. Digital assets in there, Daml. So the list goes on and on with that. So this is what I wanted to talk about Enigma a little bit, is Enigma and EA. So they put out a post just a couple months ago, you know, basically saying, yo, we're together. So that's what my video is going to bring up. Questions about this. Are they still on Ethereum? According to their mainnet, they're on Cosmos now. Is there a reason for that? So that's coming tomorrow. And then this was amazing news. Visa granted Coinbase the power to issue Bitcoin debit cards. So I used to have one of them from Coinbase. It wasn't directly through Coinbase. I used a third-party person. I love that card. But then they canceled it. And I was like, oh. So now they're bringing it back. Coinbase is going to bring their own card. Yeah, so I'm pretty pumped about that. Oh, I got some tips. Shoot, sorry guys. Ooh, Jude N, I appreciate the tip. You are the, I'm pretty sure guy, but Jude could be a girl's name, and I do have like 4% girls that watch the channel. Oh, I appreciate your appreciate your tip too, Kirk T33. Just found you and you're awesome for this space. Thoughts on Dash? Has InstaSend, chain locks, 51% attacks, and Venmo like Dash Pay wallet. Dash is interesting. I mean, I don't know. Dash is that privacy coin that they're trying to like change their image. That's why they rebranded to Dash, but they have a really dark history. And that scares me about Dash. And, you know, something like Enigma getting investigated, why won't they go back a few years as well, you know, when Dash was launched? And Dash was originally launched as a payment protocol for the darknet markets. Yeah, that's scary. So, I'm not getting in Dash, I'll tell you that. Altcoin. Eric, NOK, $50. 50. Oh, NOK. I think that's Netherlands, Norwegian, something. I appreciate the tip though, brother. You're the man. What do I think about UBT at the current price? I mean, even with my video yesterday and people blame me for the dump or whatever, I don't care. I mean, it needed a cool down. Definitely. Things don't just, you know, rocket like a spaceship forever. Unibright was, in my opinion, undervalued because of their involvement, but, you know, a cool down right here is nice to see. And it could start having another leg up, depending on if some big news drops. I uncover something big. That's what I'm looking in. I'm not 100% sure on this, but I'm damn close, you know, with their token builder, token taxonomy initiative right here. Oh, Netherlands? Laughing at my ass off. More on the euro. Get out of here, Proud and Real. I'm gonna block you. You get out. You get out of my channel for saying that baloney. I don't know what freaking currencies are. Is NOK? Oh, MG, $50? Dude, come on, guys. You guys are tip crazy right now. Need to stop it. MG, you the man. You are the man. I appreciate that. I'm definitely going to go buy, what am I going to buy with that $50? I don't know. Some food, maybe? What do I think about Tezos? I love Tezos. I hold Tezos. It's not like, well, since the pump, it's a higher percentage of my portfolio. It has pushed back into the top 10 because of the pump. But yeah, I've held my Tezos since I made the prediction it was going to Coinbase a long time ago. This pump right here. When it went up there. And I held. I didn't sell. And yeah, it's been a good... I love Tezos. Tezos is basically Coinbase chain. Coinbase is putting a lot of their... I would expect a lot of the D-apps and things on Coinbase to move to Tezos. I just see it at being Coinbase chain, basically. What's up, everybody? Data Dash is talking trash? Oh, no. Hopefully he's taking out his own dirty laundry. He sucks my nuts. But yeah, whatever. He can talk as much trash as he wants. I got him. I got him so good with that video. And maybe I'll get a letter from Daddy Dash, but... Chico, we don't care. Should I transfer UBT to BTC? I'm not a financial advisor. Don't ask me those personal type of questions. I like UBT. I'm holding it. I did my research. I don't like Data Dash as an advisor because he sucks. He obviously dropped the project, and now he's back because he likes money. Should I go talk shit on Data Dash's live stream live? That would be kind of funny. Oh, data trash. Oh, I typed data trash. Can't believe it didn't come up.
Hey, what's going on, everyone? Nicholas Murray.
He's not live, you liars. Or he blocked me from seeing it. What caused the dump? It's a whale messing around, playing some games. I don't know which exchange, Bybit, BitMex. One of those exchanges, definitely, in my opinion. well, not necessarily the dump happened on those exchanges, but most of the liquidations happened on that exchange. The dump probably happened on one of the exchanges that exchange calculates its price off of. Bitstamp, Coinbase. I mean, it's crazy. BitMex calculates their price off of exchanges that have less volume than it. That's not right. And that just shows you that imbalance in the crypto industry regarding leverage trading. I hate people for supporting those exchanges because they want money. Charlie Lee bashed DeFi. Charlie Lee, I mean, he's losing it. Litecoin's gone, you guys. So if you're holding Litecoin, I would drop that ship as fast as possible. Yes, oh yeah, I forgot to bring up Kyber Network. I hold Kyber. It's in my top 10 coins. Coinbase. So it got added to Coinbase Pro. Probably on their Twitter. Oh, Kyber's retweeting Bancor. Interesting. Maybe you need to look in Bancor. Ah. So for the end of the stream, you guys get a little hint. I have had my eye on Bancor. And this is interesting. I mean, because Uniswap is a fork of Bancor, if you didn't know that. And Bancor is coming out with an update of their protocol, and Kyber just, interesting. Bancor does have a hella high market cap, though. Let me see, Bancor. Haven't looked at Bancor in a while. Only 22 million, actually, right now. They used to have a hella high market cap. Lots of volume, though, still, for a $22 million market cap. Means a lot of algorithmic bots, too, you're going to have to fight through. So a lot harder, you know, than Unibright to break out because you got to fight a lot of traders and bots. Unibright didn't have a lot of that. So easy to break out. Bancor would be a lot harder. But yeah, why didn't they tweet this? Kyber, what are you freaking doing? Get your marketing together, guys. But yeah, Kyber's on Coinbase Pro. Not yet, maybe, but soon. Kyber Network crystals. That's sounding like coin pumping really right now. Had a big old pump initially. I'm not a fan of VeChain. No. I mean, VeChain may build some cool things, but they're not going to implement the token anywhere in their in anything. They're just going to have enterprise clients paying the company to build things for them. Was just joking, bro? No, peace and love, brother. I appreciate the tip. I'm glad you guys love the channel and think I'm the WikiLeaks. I'm actually getting together something interesting here soon, and you guys are going to love it. So I'm getting, actually, a website together. So Chico Crypto's website's been down for a while. I made a website a while ago called blockchainleaks.com. Kind of like a WikiLeaks, where I was looking for leaks from the community regarding the shade in the crypto industry. Well, things are coming with the website. I don't know if it's going to be WikiLeaks or Blockchain Leaks or a different name, but the website is coming. I have some people rewriting some of my scripts I do for content to get definitely content on the website. Have some people doing that with me right now. So if you're interested and you want to rewrite some scripts and the possibility of coming on Chico Crypto team, you know, especially if you can do your own research. If you can research like a son of a gun, pull up some stuff people can't find, hit me up. Where's my live stream link? Type my name to send me an email at thechicocrypto@gmail.com. I think that's my new email, hopefully. Yeah, I was using an old email. Had to change it up. Crypto leaks sounds better. Blockchain leaks. We have a couple names we're working on. Yeah, send me a message. thechicocrypto@gmail.com. And yeah, I'd love to have you try, definitely just rewrite one of my scripts. And then once we go live, I'm looking for people to help me with script writing. And the goal is, we are going to take on the big boys of the industry, Cointelegraph, Coindesk, Block, Contelegraph, Condesk. Because their content sucks. Sometimes they do have a good article from here time to time, but most of the time, it's just fart noises. And they have no video content, Cointelegraph does have a YouTube channel, I think, but it's absolutely garbage. Come on. Damn internet. Yeah, they're not doing very well. I have more subs than Cointelegraph. It's crazy, They're a huge media outlet. They should be... Oh, there's Data Dash on the channel. They never asked me, I'll tell you that right now.
Hi, everyone.
But they love running their old... Pushing these guys as these guys are the smart ones in the industry. Yeah, buddy. You're an idiot. But yeah, that's one of the reasons I want to take Cointelegraph on, is because they do crap like that. They put shillers on their channel. They act like they're the ones that know what they're talking about in the industry, and they don't. They don't. There's people in my Telegram group that know more than Data Dash. So that goes to show you something. But, yeah, so if you just tuning in, Bitcoin's at the 9,600 level. I predicted we're probably going to be hanging around it for a little bit, and that is extending out now. I'm touching it again. The algo bots are getting restructured as we speak, and, we're going to see another probably violent move here soon. I hope up. But we'll see. And I do kind of predict up, because I do think this 10,000 level is a good area for the whales to play with, and they're going to keep doing it. So, yeah, I appreciate all you guys for tuning in and tipping like crazy. You guys are the best. Already wrote a script for the day because I was going to post my other video, but then this crash happened. So, yeah, I'm pretty wore out. My brain hurts. Yeah, I wrote a script, shot a video, did this live stream. Now I'm going to probably sleep. My brain hurts. Data Dash is considerably smarter than you, but you're watching me, Ron Turkey. Nice. I love when people say that. Oh, but you're sitting here watching my whole stream. Yeah. I appreciate you guys. I'm going to stay real to the space. If you don't like it, you can sniff my bunghole. And yeah, I will see you guys probably tomorrow. I'll definitely see you tomorrow. Got an interesting video regarding what's going on in the space. A couple altcoins I'm talking about, that Enigma stuff. So tune in. It's going to be an excellent video. And I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out. Oh, why you gotta tip me right when I'm leaving? Nebroja. Jovakovic. You are the woman, it sounds like, but I don't know. I hope you're not mad because you're a guy. But I appreciate that. I'm taking off. You guys are all awesome. I'll see you next time.